This is a Wilson's bird of paradise. He's brightly coloured, but about the size of a sparrow. He's lived most of his life alone, but now he's an adult, and he too needs to attract a mate. First, he tidies things up. His stage is set, and now he must hope a female hears his call. He can wait here for weeks on end. At last, a female. Time to take up position. She will judge him by the brightness of his feathers. But for the female to see him at his best, he needs her to perch directly above his sage, under the light. This might be his only chance to shine. Now, when she's looking directly down on him, he reveals a display for her eyes only. In the gloom of the forest floor, he is a dazzling blaze of iridescent green, the brightest leaf in the forest. And that does the trick.